How's the taste?
Hey guys, it's me, Kuya Milton, and today we are going to be making one of my favorite Filipino dishes, Lechon Kawali, or in English, crispy pork belly. Oh my gosh, it is so good. This is probably one of my favorite cuts of meat because it has so much flavor. It's so rich and it's so delicious. This is really easy to make. All you're gonna need is pork belly, some garlic, bay leaves, whole black pepper, salt, and oil. Let's get started. First up, we gotta fill a big pot full of water. Now we're gonna boil that water, so set it to high. While our water is heating up, we're gonna add some garlic, whole peppercorns, bay leaves, and then salt. Now that it's boiling, we can add our pork. Wait until the water starts to boil again. So you may be wondering, why are we boiling the pork belly? Why not just put it in the oven? You gotta remember, this is a Filipino style. Usually in the Philippines, we don't really have ovens, which is why we use boiling as an alternative. When we boil it, a lot of the moisture is removed, and that will make it extra crispy. Okay, it started to boil. We're gonna put this on low and cover. We're gonna let this simmer for 30 minutes. About halfway through, we're gonna flip. Okay, it's been about 30 minutes. Let's take out the pork belly. Ooh. Just gonna put this on the drying rack right here. So don't think about throwing away this wonderful broth. We're gonna use this for soup or any other recipe that you like. So as you can see, a lot of it shrank. And now we gotta make it crispy. So we're gonna put some salt all around the pork belly. So the great thing about this recipe is now we can just wait until we're ready to fry. The longer you wait and the longer you let it dry, the crispier it's gonna be. So now we're just gonna put this in the refrigerator and cook it when we're ready to fry. Okay, it's been 2 days. Check a look at our pork belly. Look how hard, how dry that got. Wow, this is gonna be extra crispy. I cannot wait. Now it's time to fry. We're gonna add a lot of oil to a large pot because we're gonna be deep frying it. We are now gonna add the pork belly to the oil, skin side down. Go nice and slowly. So while this is cooking on one side, I'm just gonna take this spoon, get some of the oil and put it on top. One thing that you notice, because our pork is really dry, that's why we don't have a lot of splashing, which is another reason to dry it a lot longer than you think. There's no real time, you just kind of flip it when it's golden brown. So that's what we're gonna do now. Oh yeah. Oh wow, look at that skin. Once it gets golden brown on the bottom, we're gonna pick it up and lay it to rest. Oh yeah, look at that. Super gold. So that looks so good just the way it is. Look how golden, perfectly golden. But we're gonna make it even more crispy. We're gonna leave it to rest a few minutes and then refry it again. Oh yes. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes. Let's take it out. Wow, look at that golden color. Perfect. If we cut it into it right now, all the juices are gonna pour out. We're gonna let this dry, so it's gonna be extra crispy, and it's gonna retain that moisture. Then we'll be ready to eat. Okay guys, we're finally ready to cut open our lechon. Look at this. Oh my gosh, looks so amazing. Let's do a crunchy test. Wow, so loud. Crunchy. All right, let's try cutting into it. Oh, wow. I can smell it right away. Like chicharron, wow. It smells so good. Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh my gosh, nice crust all along. Oh my gosh, you can hear that skin. Wow, so nice. And there you have it, Filipino pork belly. Oh my gosh, the smell really smells like chicharron, fried pork, fried fat. Wow, it really smells good. I cannot wait to try this. Now, doesn't really matter how's it look. What matters is how's the taste. All right, let's try. Let's cut this piece right here. Oh my gosh. Oh, you hear that crunch? Wow, look at that. So much fat. Gonna be so rich. Got some meat, but got a lot of fat. Here you go. Wow, this is so rich, so flavorful. It's like bursting with pork fat, pork flavor. Nice, crunchy. And you know what's gonna be perfect with this? We gotta have rice, white rice, and of course, the Filipinos, we're gonna use mang tomas. Here we go. Oh yeah, let's dip this nice piece right in the mang tomas. Here we go. Oh yeah. Let me get some rice too. Oh, so good. Fatty, so you gotta have that rice perfect with it. And that nice sweetness from the mang tomas sauce. Oh, perfect for lechon. It's really good. And of course, saving the best for last, we're gonna try the skin. Oh, yeah. Let's try this by itself. Oh, look at that. See all those bubbles? That's gonna make it perfectly crispy. When I was cutting it, it was so loud. Can't wait to try it. Oh, wow. You hear that? Yes! This is the only thing I can hear. Wow. So good. Nice, crispy, salty. Got the flavors when we were boiling that water. That skin is just too good. Amazing. There's a lot of cholesterol, but once in a while, it's worth it. Trust me, it's so good. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below for whatever recipe you'd like to see me do next. This recipe was really good. I love lechon. It's been a while since I've had lechon kawali, but it was amazing. Make sure you don't eat a lot of it because as you can see, it was really fattening, but the fat is where the flavor is. Oh, it's so good. Anyway guys, thank you so much for all your support. See you in the next video. Bye.